Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the error no Wi-Fi adapter found Ubuntu. Chapter 1. Fix error Ubuntu no Wi-Fi adapter found from software and update. To start, from Activities, search for Software. Click on Software and Update. After this, click on the Additional Drivers tab. Here you will wait to check if there are updates to the Wi-Fi adapter. Chapter 2. Fix error Ubuntu no Wi-Fi adapter found from terminal. To start, open the terminal. After that, list the network properties with the on-screen command. Here you must take into account the product number. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then access the path on the screen. You are going to run ls to see the content. Now run the command sudo touch config to create a configuration file. To edit it, run sudo gedit config. You are going to enter the text with the product number as you see it on the screen. Click Save to save these changes. After this, run the command on the screen. To apply these changes, restart Ubuntu. When you log in, check that it is possible to use the Wi-Fi network. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.